Hey y'all, Instinct Survivors coming again with another 2-Tip Tuesday. This time we'll be talking about shrimp and corn and sausage and potatoes and cooking on a fire. Anyway, hey guys, what we got for you today is kind of special. It's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you folks out there. I know it's going to be belated when you get this, but I was asked to go ahead and cook on the fire today, and we had a great meal on our camping trip. And so they wanted to do a redo for that. And what we're doing is basically, if you've heard of a low country boil, that's what this is. It's basically a shrimp, it's potatoes, small potatoes, sausage, andouille works best, and we'll get into that when we cut away. And corn, big ears of corn, and we put it all in a full packet and then cook it on the coals. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go in and look at that. First, we're going to cut away and we're going to look at exactly what's inside the pack before we cook it. Then what we'll do is we'll get the coals ready and then we'll put it on. So hey, one more thing just before I go. Been asked several times, hey Bill, when are you getting out of the backyard? Keith, you're not the only one to ask that question, and the answer is hopefully within a year. So we're actually saving up. We're actually planning on doing and going some other state, to some other state, and having a big yard from there. So it's not just a yard, it's actually land. So that's the plan, that's the goal. However, guys, until then, bear with me. I'll try to get out. I'm going to try to get out and do some things this summer, but if I'm doing it in the backyard, keep in mind it's only 2 tips, not necessarily something I'm doing all the time out there. The plan is to actually have a couple of trips planned out, and hopefully we'll get out there and get you some tips out in the land, if you will. Anyway, until then, let me go ahead and cut away, and we'll go in and look at the actual inside of the packet, and then I'll come back out, get the coals ready, and then we'll put them on, and I'll show you exactly how we're doing that. All right, so as far as the packets go with the shrimp, we're going to do these over the fire. You got corn, sausage, andouille makes the best ones. We got shrimp, and then we got little bitty potatoes in there. And then we just top it off with a little bit of Old Bay or season of choice. But Bill, that's too much. It's okay. Trust me. You'll be all right. Just a little bit more. There we go. All right, now we wrap them up, put them on the fire. All right, guys, so we've actually got it laid out. You'll see the underlying piece under each one of the packs is a lot of white coals, white ash. I got a fire going in the middle. What I'll do is I'm going to move these around to adjust fire, adjust heat. I can see that one right there is going to need the first adjustment because it's sitting right on fire. Well, the rest of them are just kind of there. So we'll adjust them, and then we'll go back to showing you what else is going on. When you're done, you should have something that looks or resembles that. Now keep in mind, these burnt ones is because we had flames going, but you can see the shrimp looks very good. We can go in, and because they still have the shells on them, we can just pull those off, not a problem. But that's the way it's going to look, right? So basically that's the end result. Smells really good. So there you go, folks. That's it. That's what it boils down to. We got shrimp, not boiling, sausage, potatoes, and corn. Anyway, hey, thanks for all you do. Thanks for your likes, your comments, subscribes, and shares. Don't forget to ring the bell, or hit the bell if you will, so that you get notifications. And until then, use your instinct to survive. Thanks for watching.